Mark the brave sacrifice made by our police personnel while fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Also this year, like every other year, we celebrate the Police Commemoration Day. However, in Bengaluru this year, an exhibition was held at the Chitrakala Parishad, wherein we're just going to, give you an understanding of what exactly, the work that's been done by the police personnel during the time of the pandemic. You can see how this is just the first hall that we're at. There are, of course, photos put up of the COVID warriors, of the police frontline warriors during these trying times, of them working in all kinds of testing situations, trying situations. In fact, right here also is a photo of, one of the first police officers who actually tested positive for COVID-19 and recovered from COVID-19 and then, donated his plasma as well. So this essentially that we're showing you, this exhibition that was, put up was just basically to recall, to remember the kind of work that's being done by our police officers each day, fighting the pandemic head on. Now, to give you a broad sense of understanding, this is not just the Bengaluru police, but in fact the Karnataka police as well. We're looking at nearly about 88 persons who have so far in fact sacrificed their lives on the front line, and in a bid to honor that and pay tribute to that, right here you can see a Shraddhanjali of sorts that has in fact been organized as well. The photo of each police person or each cop who sacrificed his life on the front line has been put up along with a candle and flowers as well that have been offered. So this ideally comprises this entire area that we're looking at has the photos of all of these brave warriors who sacrificed their lives. Let's remember that, in fact, it has been the work of the police and the work of, the healthcare workers and the frontline warriors that has been the most risky during this pandemic. And just a small tribute that, the government, of course, of Karnataka is offering is this display that you can actually see that's, been put up over here. Now, the highlight of this exhibition, what the police tell us, is the fact that, there has been a small little display over here of a police personnel holding his, little daughter's hand. Let's remember that while the police are working on the front line, they're risking their lives, sacrificing a lot for their families as well, putting all of that behind them, coming back home to their families many a time, and so this is, of course, something that the police have organized. In fact, like we already told you, nearly about 88 police personnel in Karnataka or in Bengaluru alone, apart from which there are several others also, across the country who have been fighting bravely as they stand their ground and battle against this pandemic. So at this point in time, all we can, of course, hope for is their, empowerment. Let's just hope that, let's all cooperate with them. That is something that, cannot be stressed upon enough, for our cooperation with them. Let's stand with them and help them fight this pandemic with us together. In Bengaluru, with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror.